So let's see if you were able to solve and check. So step 1, distribute. -5 times 6 is -30. Bring down the n. -5 times 6 is -30. Step 2 is combine like terms. I don't have any. Step 3, get the variables on one side. All the variables are here on the right. So step 4, I need to move my constants over to the left. So this -30 needs to move by doing the opposite. Those are gone. 60 equals -30n. Isolate my variables, so I need to get rid of this -30 by dividing. So n equals -2, I think. Now I need to check it to make sure I did that right. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, but instead of n, I'm going to put a -2 in its place. So -5, 6, I'm using the dot to multiply. 6 times -2 plus 6. Bring down the -5. Multiply before you add. 6 times -2 is -12 plus 6. Bring down the -5 again. -12, positive 6, different sign, subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6. I have more negatives than positives, so it's -6. Finally, -5 times -6 is positive 30. I can just bring this down. I know I'm right because when I plug in -2 for n, I get 30 on both sides. Now you can write your final answer in the box.